Hey, I'm Tammy with SandyToesKnows, and today I'm going to give y'all a little insight to Learn and Earn Profits Online, a digital marketing training course that is going to teach you how to set up your business from start to finish. Online business, it comes with Master Resell Rights. What does that mean? It means that you keep 100% of the profit if you resell the course. Now, are y'all ready to get into it? Let's go. We're going to have so much fun. I'm going to show you all about the course. It's going to be great. See you in a minute. Hey y'all, so today we are going to look at the inside of the classroom of Learn and Earn Profits Online. This is the second time I make this video because things keep getting added. It's fabulous. The amount of information you get in this training is great. So let's get started. Where to start? Right here, the first module. Okay, how to use school, how to use school calendar, how to adjust your experience, what now, and how to explain MRR. This right here, this little description and everything is great if you're just getting into this industry and just starting out with Master Resell Rights, okay? Here's the next one. This is going to explain your distribution rights, okay? So that is going to be your Master Resell Rights for this course. Can it be sold? Yes, okay? So you have all of your cans and cannots right here. Minimum sale price is $4.97, okay? However, the product can be sold to the price of your choice, any price point above $4.97, which means you cannot go under $4.97, okay? Got it? Big no-no. Here's your terms and conditions, your privacy policy, your income disclosure, and your Master Resell Rights certificate, which actually I emailed to you separately, okay? So that's module number 2. Module number 3, Introduction to Digital Marketing. If you're just getting in and you just need to know what it is, here we go. Here's an introduction. Here's a mission statement, a vision, a brand position, Notion's Netflix brand position template is fabulous. Mission, vision, and value template, good stuff. So in each one of these, they have resources and a lot of really good information in this module right here about digital marketing. Here we go. Here's our money shot right here. This is setting up System.io. So we use System.io, not ClickFunnels and Aweber. You can use that, but that is going to run you about $117 per month. Okay, this is free, up to 2,000 people, up to 2,000 contacts. Big difference. Okay, and look at all of this training, literally step by step, how to set up your funnel. Okay, so funnel is just a fancy word for a website. We are teaching you how to build a website, peeps. That's big stuff. I went to college to learn how to do this. And here it is, all in one module right here. How to sell physical products, how to redirect your domain. There's all kinds of great information in this module. And it literally teaches you step by step. Look at all of this. Step by step, okay? So that is System.io. How to optimize your sales process. Because remember, you bought the Master Resell Rights with this course, which means that you own the order page, right? You own the sales page. So it's going to teach you how to do this. In this module, it is going to teach you how to use Calendly, because once you start selling, people are going to need help, okay? So you're going to have to set up a calendar so they can, it's so much easier to just send them to your calendar and let them book a time, okay? How to add testimonials, frequently asked questions, to do a squeeze page, to do a mock-up course. There's just so much in here. Like, it's just phenomenal. Okay, so this is, if you use ClickFunnels, we have a module on ClickFunnels, but most of us use System.io. So this is why this is locked. We don't want you to get overwhelmed with it. Email marketing. Okay, this is how to set up your email marketing, how to set up your email with domains, to change your DNS settings, okay? Create your email campaign. There's templates in here, how to schedule emails, how to add a tag, how to set up your automation, track your leads, remove a tag. So when somebody buys the course, you have to remove your original tag and tag them as a buyer. So they will quit getting all of your automated emails. Okay. But you'll learn about all of this in the course. This is my favorite, branding expansion. Okay. So this is going to teach you how to brand yourself, how to find your target market, how to get your buyer persona, logos versus branding. There's a whole color communication in here. So this whole module is on branding. Moving right along. Content strategy. We all need this, okay? So this is some great little hacks, okay? So Google keyword research. What are people looking up right now? Good hooks. So this is just, look at all this. These are all good hooks that you can use for your, that you can use for your content, okay? Your mindset on views. Everybody's stuck on views. I'm only getting 200 views. I'm only getting 150. I'm only getting 300. You should not be stuck on the views. Just keep being consistent. The views are going to come. If you build it, they will come, okay? How to do text on screen, how to do storytelling content, and how to build trust on your audience. This is a big one right there. Okay. Next module is platforms to market on. Okay. So Facebook, Canva. So how to do banners and make stuff in Canva. This is all Facebook. Okay. Did y'all know Craigslist is still alive? I had no idea, but I can guarantee you I'm going to put an ad on Craigslist and see what we get. TikTok, and we also have, I think, Instagram and YouTube modules coming up as well. They're just not in the platform yet. So next one is SEO training. Okay. So how to edit your pages. And we have more coming with this. I'm going to put some SEO stuff in here, and there's some other people that's going to add SEO as well. Business tools. This is just tools that we use on the daily. Pexels. If you want to do a non-face channel, you can use Pexels. They've got videos and pictures for everything. Coolers is fun to change your colors of your logo or your branding. Canva is just great for everything. You'll build your own certificate in Canva. Loom, that's what I'm using right now, is to make screenshot videos. So this is just recording my screen as I'm talking and showing you things. A profile picture maker, how to set up a link tree, how to do stand store, how to do your own LLC. So once you start making some money, you're going to have to do an LLC and a tax ID so you can write some stuff off. Okay. ChatGPT Masterclass. If you don't know what ChatGPT is, it is an AI program that will write your stuff for you. Okay. If you're stuck and you can't get your emails done, come to this module. It's going to teach you how to use ChatGPT. So for instance, if you need to do an email and you just are not being very artistic and you just can't get it, come here and say, hey, I need an email written in a witty tone about Master Resell Rights and how and the advantages of Master Resell Rights with digital marketing. Okay. It's going to spit you out a fabulous email. Believe me, I know. I did it. It's great. Okay, moving right along. Google productivity hacks. Okay, so this is something that Michelle added into the course, and it is got just bang out hacks for Google. There's all kinds of stuff in here, and it's fabulous. So that is just a fun little module that she added to help you get going with Google. The Ultimate Content Vault. Okay, so this has all kinds of stuff in it, but it is not unlocked until you get to level 6. I haven't even looked at it yet. I've just been busy with other stuff, but I plan to get to it very soon. So we have trainings we have Q&As every Monday, and then we have Funnel Fridays. So we have Q&A on Mondays, then Funnel Fridays, we have 2 sessions. So they're all recorded. So they're all in this module right here. So, and then you can come to it, watch it. Once you watch it, you say done. Okay. That's the first session. The second one is right there. Okay. So done. So now when I go back to it, I'm at 100% because I watched these live. So, and participated in them live. Then once you pay for the class, for the whole class in full, you can download these files, okay? Make your own, if you want to, make your own brand for it and make your own community and have your own little community and course stuff with your brand on it. If you want to. If not, just stay here with us. We'd be glad to have you. So I hope this helped you. I hope that it was informative for you, short and to the point. So if you have any questions, send me a DM, send me an email, however you would like to do it. I'm here to help you. Thanks and have a great day.